We start this video looking straight down at the top of the failure. As we look down, we see that there are lines stretching off into the distance. We see this series of steps that people have popularized here on the eastern side. We are now going up towards roughly 200 feet above the feature, trying to get a complete view of the whole system. Let's go backwards. We see that the black rock that sticks out into the mud, we see a series of concentric faults around.